Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm sharing you this cute gel nail design. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to be using whiteout, sleepover and the base coat as well for this design. It's super simple but so effective, and of course you can combine it with any colours that you are doing for the set that you are creating. I'm also going to be using the Glitter Planet Gold Chrome pigment as well. That is the gold that you can see in there. So I already went ahead and applied 2 coats of negligee, which is our nude gel. I cured them for 60 seconds between each layer, so you want to go ahead and do that, or if you're going on top of acrylic, that is absolutely fine as well. The next step is to come in with your base coat. So I'm just going to apply my base coat. I am not curing it. The reason that we're not curing is because we're going to use it as a suspension layer for our gel products to sit on top of, and it's going to allow everything to kind of smoosh into one fluid design. So I'm coming in with sleepover gel and also white out, and I'm just delicately blobbing on some of those colours. I know, very technical, but that is literally the only word I could think of. A little blob here and a little blob there. You don't want to do too much so that the product's kind of like really domed and built up, because you're going to cause issues when you come to cure that product. So do just add a little bit at a time. So here I've got some chrome pigment mixed with my base gel, and I'm going to come in and use a liner brush. The liner brush that I'm using is from the Baddest liner brush set. Super affordable, absolutely amazing brush set. You need to check it out if you didn't already. But I'm using that to pick up some of that gold base pigment, and then I'm going to run and drag it through my pink and my white, and I'm going to create this kind of like dispersed colour bomb on the nail. And I think this effect just looks so dreamy and so beautiful, and I love how it turns out. Now you don't want to mix too much. If you start mixing too much on the nail, all you're going to end up is with either one solid colour or like just a shimmery gold pink kind of colour, and that's not what we're going for. We still want those colours to be defined. We still want to see the white, we still want to see the pink, and then we want that gold popping through there as well. So once you are happy with how yours has turned out, I'm happy with mine as it is now. I'm going to go ahead, give that a cure in the light for a full 60 seconds, and then we can come in with our top coat. So I'm using the Nailmate Gel Polish Top Coat. This is designed to go over our gel products because it's a soft gel top coat, which means it just flexes with the gel products used underneath there. I'm applying one layer that's even over the entire nail, cap that free edge to make sure that you don't get any chipping or peeling, cure in the light for 60 seconds, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super speedy, super fast, but hopefully you've learned a lot of tips in this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!